An Introduction to Mesothelioma Lawsuits. Federal law in the United States entitles individuals diagnosed with mesothelioma to file a lawsuit against the errant company or companies. Mesothelioma, being a deadly form of cancer, ruins the prospects of victims and their families. This effectively means that mesothelioma lawsuits are a necessity, something that can mitigate the sufferings of the family. Mesothelioma lawsuits are complex, and hence require the services of expert mesothelioma lawyers or law firms. Since the disease has an extremely long latency period, the manifestation of the disease can come after several decades of actual exposure to asbestos. For instance, in several cases it was found that people now being diagnosed with mesothelioma were exposed to asbestos 30 to 40 years ago, or even before that. Consequently, mesothelioma lawsuits become extremely challenging, as they call for extraordinary efforts on the part of the lawyers or law firms. Mesothelioma lawsuits often result in millions of dollars for the victims. While dealing with mesothelioma, it is pertinent to remember a few basic things about mesothelioma lawsuits. Perhaps the most important is the fact that mesothelioma patients should file their lawsuits almost immediately upon diagnosis. This is because many states across the United States have a time limit for filing mesothelioma lawsuits. Mesothelioma lawsuits are a boon for ailing family members or dependents when the erring member is diagnosed with a cancer. The lawsuit seeks to offer a secure future to the dependent family members, and also helps them to treat the patient. In case mesothelioma is diagnosed too late and the patient passes away, the regulations are slightly different. However, even in this case, it is advisable for family members to file the lawsuit as soon as possible in order to realize a successful settlement. Individuals can also file a lawsuit if they have respiratory problems and are a close family member of someone who worked with asbestos. It is possible that individuals working with asbestos may have carried asbestos dust and fibers to their homes, thereby infecting other members. Although it is understood that the patients identified with mesothelioma may not come out of the painful experience of parting with their near and dear ones, lawsuits often help by mitigating the pain to an extent by providing a secure future. About the author, Francisco Rodriguez. Do you need a mesothelioma lawyer? http://www.mesotheliomaattorneyfreeconsultation.com